Welcome back, guys. We were making it out again today. Essentially just going for a ride to enjoy myself. I feel like my brain is just completely fried over this whole car ordeal. Luckily, we got back our settlement. It's going to be about double what we thought we were going to get back. But of course, with car prices right now just being crazy high, I don't know, I feel like, are we actually making any money? The car that we were anticipating buying was my mother-in-law's car. Started to do some work to it and then decided, or found out, that there was a recall for it, so took it to the dealership, and essentially they looked at it and found out that there was a whole bunch of mold and rot going on in there, so they couldn't do any work to it at that moment, and just kind of decided that it wasn't worth it for us personally to do it. We just want a car that's reliable, that's safe for our family to be in. Bummed that I did as much work to it that I did in the last couple days. Spent a few hours on it, but I don't know, shit happens. I want to try to go to a wetlands area that I always pass. Never knew that you could actually get to a pier that's there. I just found it on Google Maps this morning, so figured why not get out for hopefully the Thanksgiving Day video. So happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you and your family are having a great one. But yeah, figure why not make it out there today and see if I can actually get down to the pier. How sweet is this spot? So this has been a pleasant surprise of a spot. Pretty redbird. But yeah, now gonna make my way back to the main road, which is Sands Road, if you guys want to come visit this park. This is a perfect road to show you guys, as long as you're careful and learn how to handle your bike. You can take any bike almost anywhere. But yeah, just gonna cruise some of my favorite back roads back home and bring you guys along for some of that. Awesome. So I'm going to cut this one here, considering I found another gate open today for me. But yeah, great day out. Super peaceful, super nice. Need to move the motorcycle because there's a car coming. Alright, so that was just a mom and daughter driving, which makes me feel like I want to go back here and explore. I am going to do the outro now, but if I find anything good, I'll add it in after this. But yeah, thank you guys for coming along today. Just needed to get out and just enjoy the ride. Perfect ride for day before Thanksgiving / Thanksgiving ride. Hopefully you guys can get out today, and also hopefully you guys are just enjoying the day with your loved ones. But thank you guys for checking out this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below, and subscribe. Let's see where we go next.